just picked this up at Best Buy. Paid $69.95 for the item. After taxes in the city, New York City, $76.16. Today's November 11th, 2018. I saw this come up on the deal of the day for Best Buy, and I looked at some of the videos, and it was interesting, the item. So I decided, you know what, it's a good price. Let me pick it up, see how it works. So this is supposed to take all your devices and put it in one. So you're supposed to be able to, I guess, take your cable box, everything, and this will interface with all the items connected to your device. I think up to 4. And you'll be able to kind of, I don't know, I'm assuming it's like let's say an Apple or Roku type of interface device where everything will come into one, and you can use everything. Through this, you can use your cable box, Apple TV, PlayStation 3, everything in one box, one interface. So that way, you don't have to switch HDMI connections. So I thought it was pretty cool. I mean, that would be awesome. So this is the box here. Oh, you're supposed to be able to also speak to it. It's supposed to have, I think it has Google Assistant or something. I'm not 100% sure. I forget. You're supposed to be able to speak to it. As it says here. Again, I've never heard of this device. This is my first time seeing it. But it was a good price for something I definitely would use and need. actual device itself. So this is the top part of it. Sleek, nice, small. Plastic. Very shiny. These are all the ports in the back. HDMI 1, 2, 3, 4. And this should go to the TV. One Ethernet port, not for use, whatever that port is. Let's see what that is. Now you can take that out. I don't think I can even take it out. For the IR blaster and the power. The side, nothing. The front, nothing. Okay, that's that. Oh, and the button. This is the manual on and off button. More pieces of paper. IR blaster. Two of them. Really long cable. 3M double-sided tape to, I guess, tape them down like that. There's another one here too. Power supply. And that should be it. There's nothing else in the back. Nothing else. So this is everything that comes in the box. These are all the just the paperwork and the device itself. All right, so I'm actually going to end the video here for the unboxing portion of it. I'm going to add for the full version of, you know, in regards to the setup, install, and see how it works. I'm going to add that in another video, in an additional video. Thank you. Bye.